You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say this long word and what it means as well. So how do you say it first? Qwertyuiopasdfghjklzxcvbnm is how you want to say it. And then what it means you've typed all the letters that are on your keyboard, or the keys with letters on them, and you've ended up on this video. That's what it means. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.